If you think thinning hair means you have to look older, you're about to be proven so wrong. Look at this transformation, and this one, and wait until you see this one. These women didn't get hair transplants. They didn't use expensive treatments. They just got the right haircut, and the results are absolutely incredible. I know exactly what you're going through. You look in the mirror and see less volume, more scalp showing through, and you feel like your hair is aging you faster than anything else. But here's what nobody tells you. Thinning hair is not about having less hair. It's about having the wrong haircut for the hair you do have. Welcome to EverWise Older Women, where we prove that thinning hair doesn't mean thinning confidence. I'm here to show you 4 specific hairstyles that create the illusion of thickness, add years of youth to your appearance, and make you feel absolutely gorgeous again. These aren't just haircuts, they're optical illusions that work with your natural hair patterns to create maximum impact. In the next few minutes, you're getting 4 complete game-changing styles. First, the volume-creating cut that makes your hair look twice as thick. Second, the strategic layer technique that disguises thinning areas perfectly. Third, the anti-aging style that takes 10 years off your appearance. And fourth, the confidence-boosting cut that makes you forget you ever worried about thinning hair. Before we transform your hair forever, make sure you subscribe to EverWise Older Women and hit that notification bell. We're building a community of women who refuse to let thinning hair define their beauty. Every week we're sharing new ways to look younger, feel more confident, and embrace your gorgeous self at every stage of life. Now, let's make thinning hair your secret weapon for looking amazing. Style number 1 is the Volume Maximizer Bob, and this cut is pure genius for thinning hair. Here's the science. When hair is cut to one length at the right spot, it creates the illusion of density because all your hair ends hit at the same line. This creates a visual wall of hair that makes your hair look significantly thicker than it actually is. The magic length for this bob is right at the jawline, not shorter, not longer. This length maximizes every single strand you have while creating the most flattering frame for your face. The cutting technique is crucial. We use a straight-across cut with minimal layering to preserve every bit of thickness. Any layers we add are internal and invisible, maintaining that dense perimeter. Now, here's where this gets really clever for thinning hair. If your crown area is where you're experiencing the most thinning, this bob length draws attention away from the top of your head and focuses it on your beautiful facial features. The blunt line creates such a strong visual statement that people notice the gorgeous shape, not what's happening up top. Here's how to style this for maximum thickness impact. Start with a volumizing mousse applied to damp roots. This is crucial. Blow dry with a round brush, rolling under to create that classic bob curve. But here's the secret: lift at the roots while you dry. This creates the foundation volume that makes your hair look incredibly full and bouncy. Color plays a huge role in making this style look thicker. If you're dealing with graying, ask for highlights that are just 1 or 2 shades lighter than your base color. This creates dimension and the illusion of more hair strands. Avoid too much contrast. Subtle highlights create thickness. Dramatic highlights can actually make thinning more noticeable. This cut needs a trim every 5 to 6 weeks to maintain that perfect blunt line. This is non-negotiable. When the ends start to wisp out, you lose that thickness illusion. But here's the beautiful thing. This style actually gets better as it grows out slightly because it gets a bit more weight, which can make it look even fuller. Let's pause for a moment because I want you to know something, minds. If you're struggling with thinning hair, you are not alone. Drop a heart emoji if you've ever looked in the mirror and felt frustrated with your hair. I see you, I understand, and we're about to change everything. This community is here to support each other through every hair challenge. Tell me in the comments, what's your biggest thinning hair concern? Is it the crown area, the temples, overall volume, or something else? I read every single comment because your experiences help me create better content for our EverWise family. And trust me, what's coming next addresses even more specific thinning concerns. That volume maximizer bob we just covered. It's incredible for overall thickness illusion. But style number 2 is specifically designed for women who have uneven thinning mind. Maybe one area is thinner than others, or you have specific spots you want to camouflage. This next style is like having a personal magician for your hair. If you're loving this information, please hit that like button. It helps more women discover these life-changing techniques. And now, let's dive into the style that's going to solve your specific thinning pattern challenges. The Strategic Camouflage Cut. Style number 2 is the Strategic Camouflage Cut. And this is where we get really intelligent about working with your specific thinning pattern. Every woman's hair thins differently, some at the crown, some at the temples, some all over. This cut is completely customized to redirect attention from your thinner areas to your fuller areas, creating an overall appearance of abundant hair. If your crown area is your main concern, here's what we do. We create longer layers that start below the crown and cascade down. These layers are cut to naturally fall forward, creating coverage over the thinning area. We also add subtle side-swept bangs that draw attention to your eyes while creating the illusion of more hair around your face. For temple thinning or receding hairlines, this cut uses strategic placement of face-framing pieces that curve inward toward your face. These pieces create shadows that disguise any thinning while adding incredible softness to your features. We avoid pulling hair back tight from these areas. Instead, we let the hair naturally fall forward to create coverage. If you're experiencing overall thinning, this cut focuses on creating maximum movement and texture throughout. We use a technique called invisible layering, where the layers are cut internally, but the perimeter remains strong. This gives you the movement and body that makes hair look fuller while maintaining maximum thickness at the edges. The styling for this cut is all about strategic volume placement. Use a root lifting spray, specifically where you need more coverage. When blow drying, direct the airflow in the direction you want the hair to fall for coverage. Here's a pro tip. Use a diffuser on low heat to encourage natural texture without disrupting the strategic placement. Product selection is crucial for this style. You'll need a volumizing mousse for lift, a texturizing spray for grip and fullness, and most importantly, a dry shampoo that matches your hair color for touch-ups between washes. The right products can literally double the apparent thickness of your hair when used correctly with this cut. How are we doing so far? Are you starting to see that thinning hair isn't the end of great style? It's just the beginning of getting smarter about your choices. If these first two styles are already giving you ideas, drop a yeses in the comments. I love seeing your excitement about these transformative techniques. Now those first two styles are incredible for creating thickness and camouflaging thinning areas. But style number 3, this is the one that doesn't just make your hair look better. It makes you look younger. We're talking about a style that addresses the aging effects of thinning hair and literally turns back the clock on your appearance. I want you to remember something right now. You are beautiful exactly as you are, and these styles aren't about hiding anything. They're about enhancing your natural beauty and making you feel as gorgeous on the outside as you are on the inside. Thinning hair doesn't define you. Yes, your confidence does. Style number 3 is what I call the age reversal cut, and it's based on the principle that the right hairstyle can take years off your appearance. This cut addresses not just thinning hair, but all the ways hair changes as we age. Are you ready to see how the right cut can make you look like the younger, more vibrant version of yourself? Here is style number 3. Yes, the age reversal cut. This isn't just about making your hair look thicker. This is about making you look younger, more vibrant, and absolutely radiant. This cut combines length, layers, and strategic shaping to counteract every aging effect that thinning hair can create. It's like having a time machine for your appearance. Here's why this works so brilliantly. As we age, our faces naturally lose volume, and our features can appear to drop slightly. This cut creates strategic volume in all the right places to lift and frame your face, counteracting those effects. The specific layer placement creates an upward movement that literally lifts your entire appearance. The cut starts with a longer length, about collarbone to shoulder length, which provides the foundation for volume. Then we add graduated layers that start at about ear level and cascade down. But here's the key. These layers are cut with a slight upward angle that creates natural lift and bounce. The face framing pieces are cut to curve away from your face, creating an instantly lifting effect. The face framing elements are crucial for the anti-aging effect. We create subtle side-swept bangs that cover any forehead lines, while drawing attention to your eyes. The layers around your face are cut to hit at the most flattering points, just below your cheekbones, to emphasize them, and at your jawline to create definition. It's like contouring, but with hair. The styling technique is what really brings this cut to life. Start with a volumizing mousse and blow dry with a round brush, focusing on lifting the layers up and away from your face. The secret is in the direction Mayans always blow dry up and out, never down and flat. Finish with a light hold hairspray to maintain that lifted youthful shape all day. Color plays a huge role in the age reversing effect. Soft highlights around the face create brightness that mimics youthful radiance, while a slightly warmer base color adds richness that can make your skin look more vibrant. The combination of the right cut, styling, and color creates an overall effect that's incredibly rejuvenating and confidence boosting. Style number 4 is the Confidence Restoration Cut, and this one is special because it's designed for women who have lost confidence in their hair and want to fall in love with it again. This cut is all about creating a style that makes you feel absolutely gorgeous every single day, regardless of how much or how little hair you're working with. It's about reclaiming your beautiful self. What makes this cut incredible is its adaptability. Whether you have fine, thinning hair or just want a style that always looks effortlessly perfect, this cut works with your natural hair patterns instead of fighting against them. The foundation is a precision cut that creates perfect proportions for your face shape while maximizing every strand you have. The technique combines the best elements of all our previous styles. We start with a strong perimeter for thickness illusion, add strategic layers for movement and coverage, and incorporate face framing elements for a youthful lift. But the magic is in the precision mayans. Every cut is made at the exact angle to create maximum fullness and the most flattering shape for your individual features. Here's what I love most about this cut. It's designed to look amazing with minimal effort. You can air dry it with a texturizing cream for a casual tousled look, blow dry it smooth for professional settings, or add some loose waves for special occasions. The cut is so well balanced that it looks intentional and beautiful no matter how you style it. The confidence factor comes from knowing that your hair always looks great. This cut grows out beautifully, so you don't have to worry about awkward in-between stages. It works with your natural cowlicks and growth patterns instead of against them. And most importantly, it's designed to make you feel like the best version of yourself every time you look in the mirror. For long-term success with this cut, regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks keep it looking perfect. But here's the beauty. Even when it grows out, it still looks good because the foundation is so solid. Invest in quality styling products that enhance your natural texture, and remember that confidence is the best accessory you can wear with any hairstyle. Let's recap these 4 incredible styles that prove thinning hair can still mean gorgeous hair. We've covered the volume maximizer bob that creates instant thickness illusion, the strategic camouflage cut that works with your specific thinning pattern, the age reversal cut that makes you look years younger, and the confidence restoration cut that makes you feel absolutely amazing every day. Each one is designed to enhance your natural beauty and boost your confidence. I want you to remember something important. Thinning hair doesn't make you less beautiful, it just makes you more interesting. You have the opportunity to try styles and techniques that work specifically with your hair type, and the results can be absolutely stunning. Your hair journey is unique, and that's what makes you gorgeous. Now I need to know which of these 4 styles is calling your name. Drop it in the comments. Are you excited about the volume maximizer bob, ready to try the strategic camouflage cut, intrigued by the age reversal cut, or feeling drawn to the confidence restoration cut? I love hearing which styles resonate with our amazing EverWise community. If this video has changed how you think about thinning hair, please subscribe to EverWise Older Women. We're posting new content every week that helps you look and feel your absolute best at every stage of life. Hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss our upcoming videos on styling techniques, product recommendations, and more confidence-boosting tips. Here's what I want you to do right now. Take a screenshot of your favorite style from this video and show it to your stylist. Don't let them talk you out of trying something new. You deserve to feel gorgeous, and these cuts are specifically designed for thinning hair. Your hair doesn't have to limit your style options, it just changes them. Remember, beautiful women, thinning hair is not the end of your hair story. It's the beginning of a new, smarter, more strategic chapter. You have the knowledge now to choose styles that enhance your natural beauty and make you feel absolutely confident. Your age, your hair type, your unique characteristics, they're all part of what makes you gorgeously, authentically you. Don't let anyone tell you that thinning hair means fewer options. It means better, more thoughtful options. Take these techniques, try these styles, and most importantly, wear them with confidence. You are beautiful, you are worthy of feeling amazing, and your best hair days are still ahead of you. I'll see you next week on EverWise Older Women, where we continue celebrating your beauty at every stage of life.